Hello, hello, hello. I am here to try this Double Dips fry sauce. Embrace the crave. I'll see if I can find this online. If I can, I will link it below. We found this at Walmart. I don't remember how much we paid for it. It was probably somewhere around the $5–6 range, I'm guessing. We have been using it for some things, but I saved some in the bottle just for this video. Alright. You can, there you go, kind of get an idea of what it looks like. There's where it looks like on the end of a spoon. It's very tangy. You can definitely tell that they use mayo in it. It has very much a mayonnaise-y feel, but it's a lot more tangy than mayonnaise. It's like mayonnaise, definitely some vinegary, hints of vinegar in it. It's not terrible, but it wouldn't be one that I would do a go-to. I've had other fry sauces from other companies that have less of that vinegar mayonnaise forward flavor. This one's just a little too strong on the mayo and the vinegar for me. So we will not be buying this one again. And the remainder of the container, or what you see missing here, I've actually poured into another container combined with other things to change it up to more what we would enjoy. But yeah, unfortunately this isn't one that I would get again. If you like that, if you like a tangy mayo flavor, then this might be, you know, exactly what you have been seeking. But yeah, it wasn't for us. If you tried this before, let us know what you thought of it. What was your opinion? Did you feel like it was mayonnaise and vinegar forward? Because I would like to know if other people have the same experience that I did with this product. Thank you so much for watching this. And if you have not had this product before, do you typically buy sauces, like pre-made sauces like this? Maybe not this specific, of course, but generally ones similar to this. Do you buy those at the store when you see them, or are those things that you're just like, yeah, no thank you? For us, we usually try most of the ones that look appealing to us because we're sauce people. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.